This was the assembly plant for GM for Impalas and Vegas and Monzas and Cavaliers and Cobalts and Cruises and rebadged Pontiac versions and rebadged GMC things. And they also made Chevy and GMC vans. Now, this property is owned by, I don't know if it's owned by, but it's leased by at least Foxconn, Foxxconn. And they are the company that make parts for iPhones and stuff like that. And the reason they have that facility is that they were going to produce the Lordstown electric cars. And I think that quickly fell apart. But the Foxconn name is still on the building, or the buildings, or the facilities, or whatever you want to call it. And there are still cars there, so they're doing something. So maybe they're making, you know, Apple parts there or something in the meantime. Or maybe they're building things for other electronic vehicle companies. I don't really know. But anyway, that place has been around for a long time, had been around for a long time, and was a GM plant. And I actually grew up in the Cleveland area, so we used to go by there. And there was always a ramp out by the parking lot that was showing, that had the car on it that they were currently making. And I think the last one I remember ever seeing on there was the Cruise. So, anyway, a little bit of automotive history for you. I hate what it is now. I wish it was what it used to be. But, you know, America, doing what America's doing these days. Peace and metal grease.